Morning everyone, hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm really excited today. It's a pin unboxing, but first I've got my ears on. I've been missing my ears. The last trip I just came back off, we went the 21st of July through to the start of August. We were there for 15 nights, and because the weather was so humid and rainy and damp, I didn't really wear my ears. So I figured out ears for me is definitely spring. It ends sort of about June, and then I put them on again about September because I ain't taking them on and off. So I thought, while I'm here, I'm feeling a bit pink, I'm feeling a bit girly. I've got my my Little Mermaid spirit jersey on with the bright turquoise on the back, even the bright purple on the back. I haven't got my glasses on yet, have I? So I think it's time. Oh, there we go. I can see now, so I can see the bright purple and the green. So I'm feeling girly, got my pink ears on, and we're going to do an unboxing. So today, I didn't think it was possible. As many of you know, I only started collecting pins, about 3 months ago. So I'm really new to it. And like everything I do, I'm an all or nothing kind of a girl. And you know, who do you buy pins off? Trust is a huge thing on the internet. Who do you buy pins off? So my advice to anyone is, whoever you watch on YouTube, whomever they buy pins off, that's always a good starting place. And for me, they bought pins from Pin Trade Tracy, and she's over in Hong Kong. So I contacted her. Nicer lady you couldn't meet. So helpful, looking for different things for me. I think it was the Saturday or the Sunday, it was the weekend. She posted them on the Tuesday, sent me a photo, sent everything. I had them on the Saturday. So absolutely amazing. I've got some more coming from her. And she's the only person I use now. So amazing. So I'll put her details just down here so you can see her, but she's on Instagram. So lovely lady, and she's based in Hong Kong. So what did I get? I got this, look at this. Bright pink, really shiny, I love that. Came through. Inside I had my pins. I had 2 lots. I had these ones, which are the teacup ones. So if I bring that a little closer, should be able to see those. So I've had the teacup ones. Now the teacup ones, there's 12 in the set, and there's 2 pins in each packet. So I ordered 6 packets, so potentially I've got 12 pins, so that I can either trade them, or you never know, I might be looking at a whole set. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. But I've got those, and I also had off her, which will be in my next video, I also had the lollipop pins. We call them lollipops, you call them suckers in America, but we call them lollipops. And there's 5 pins in each one of these little tins. How little is it? I thought they were really big. And so there's 15 in a set, 5 in a tin, so I've got 3 tins. So yet again, theoretically, I could actually complete it in one unboxing, but we'll see. So that's will be the next video. So for today, what we're going to do is we're going to open my teacups. So who can I actually get in this bag? I can get the Cheshire Cat, Alice in Wonderland. Is that Cogsworth and Lumiere? I can then get Nick Wilde, Chip and Dale, and Judy Hopps. And then at the bottom we've got Duffy and Shelley May, and I hate to say, I don't know who these 2 are. So if you know who they are, put a message below. I don't know who they are, but yeah, those are the ones in the set. I actually hate opening pins. Do you know, I buy them and I'd be really happy to put them in a corner and just leave them, because I've got 6 packets, 12 pins, 12 in a set. So in Karen's world, I've got the set, but as soon as I open them, I'm disappointed, aren't I? You think I get better, really? Scissors, set, let's go. First bag. Oh, my first pins from Disney Hong Kong. Oh, and these are in clear bags, so I'm not going to look. Right, okay, so you can see the first one, and it's a bunny rabbit. Who is it? Who's that? That's Judy Hopps, isn't it? Oh yeah, isn't she pretty? Oh, she's really pretty. Right, let's cut her out of her bag. She's got all of the glitter on the cup. It's really, really pretty. Oh, look at her, she's lovely. Look at her, isn't she lovely? So Judy Hopps from Zootopia. Love that, love that. And on the back, what does it say? I should have brought my magnifying glass down, shouldn't I? So it's got, oh, yeah. It has, it's got that on the back. So if I do that, maybe you can see it. Tell me what it says on the back. I've got to get my magnifying glass. So that's the back of them. Oh, aren't they lovely? They're lovely. So I don't think this was a limited release. Tracy will be shouting at the camera now saying, no, it's not Karen. So I think it says Disneyland Hong Kong. And yeah. It's no good. I've got to get my magnifying glass and check them out. I'm back. Got my magnifying glass. Do you know, these are fine for reading, fine for everything, but when you're trying to look at the back of a pin and it's writing in the same colour and it's shiny or bad light, it's a nightmare. So if you've got to use one of these, you've got to use one of these. So, oh, you see now, I can actually see what it says on the back. It says, she says, it's got Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland, it's got the pin trading logo. Oh, and it's got the number. I think this says, it says 5 or 8 of 12 Disney, and it's got its number on the back. And at the top, well, I can't make the bit out with the 2 circles and the arrow, but it tells you that it's out of 12, so that's fabulous. I've never seen that before. So yeah, so that's my Judy Hopps. Love her, she's the first one. There you go. So shall we see who number 2 was in the bag? Oh, put the bag back on the pin. Right, so there we go. Judy Hopps, right. I can't see again. I've opened it so you can see. Well, I can see when it looks in the camera. Yeah, so I've got, is that Chip with the red nose or Dale? I always get them confused. But look at that. Oh, that's lovely. He's blue. And they've got this lovely, like sequined, iridescent, is that the right word? Iridescent finish in the paintwork. Yeah, really pretty. I think this is what I love best about the Disneyland Hong Kong pins, is they're so colourful and they're just a bit different. So look, how lovely is he? Absolutely lovely. And he's about, what, about 1 1/4, 1.5 inches tall, I'd say they are. So they're decent sized pin and they're quite heavy. So yeah, so that's bag number 1. So I'll put my rubbish in the bag, and as we do with all good pin hauls, we do that. Get the next one out. That brought me good luck, didn't it, in the American Adventures set? Oh, and there's my 3 little dogs make a starring role. Right, number 2. Right, they bark at anything. Anyone walks past the front, they bark. Right. Oh, it's a different one. I know that from the shape. What is that? Oh, it's a Cheshire Cat. Look at him. Right, let's get him out of the bag. Oh, oh, he's really lovely. The greens in it are really vibrant. I love loud colours. I'm not really a muted girl. I like really loud, bright colours, contrasted. Oh, that's and do you know what? That's a bit like me, isn't it? My pink headband, my pink ears on, and my green top. And he's obviously pink. And then you've got the green teacup. So we're in good company today. So that's Cheshire Cat. Oh, I love him. Oh, I do like this set. Right, okay. Next one. I'm not looking, you see. Right, is it upside down? Oh, it's a different one. It's a different one. Oh, so now I've got Chip or Dale, whoever the other one wasn't. Yeah, I've got Chip and Dale. Right, let's open him up. Oh, they're really lovely. Oh, I understand now why everyone goes mad for these Hong Kong pins. They're beautiful. Look. Can you see all the twinkles in the teacup? Oh, isn't he lovely? So I've got four out of 12. Right, bag. Rubbish in the bag. I like to tidy up as I'm going and then I just throw it over my shoulder. Right, next one. Bag number 3. Bag number 3. Oh, okay. Apparently these have been retired now, so I was so lucky to manage to get these. So lucky Tracy had some left, so here we go. And on the back. Look at Alice in Wonderland. Aren't I lucky? Alice in Wonderland. My camera battery's going to die, so I need to change it. So bear with me, I changed the battery. I'm back! Change the battery, it's all okay now. Don't know why I don't just change the battery to start with. It'd be a lot easier, wouldn't it? But anyway, never mind. Right, so Alice. Oh, she's lovely. Look at that, the shiny, the iridescent effect as well. Look at that, how beautiful. 5 out of 12. Right, next one. Is that? Yeah! Is that Shelley May? That's Shelley May. I've got Shelley May. Take her out. Oh, I like these. Oh, she's got a name on a hat as well. So I'd never heard of Shelley May, I have to say, until I started watching vlogs on Disneyland Hong Kong. Look. How lovely. I'm halfway there. And I'm halfway there. Okay. Well, I didn't get very far, did you? You know, afterwards I've got to get on the floor and pick these all up. Right. There we go, that's one. Right. Number four. I just went to pick the magnifying glass up to cut the top. That's not good, is it? Right, scissors, there we go, right. Okay, I don't know which way is this, right? And I've got Nick Fox, Nick's Fit. Well, I've got Nick, haven't I? So look, yay! Look at him. Right, let's take him out of the packet. Oh, I do really like these. Oh, this is turquoise. And turquoise is my favourite colour. Turquoise and bright fuchsia pink, they're actually my favourite colours. Look at that. Look how beautiful he is. Oh, he's wonderful. Oh, I'm loving these. I am so loving these. Okay. 7 out of 12. Last one in this packet. Who's that? Oh, is that my first duplicate? Is that another Shelley May? Yes, I've got 2 Shelley Mays now. But not to worry. So, she's definitely a trader, so I'll leave her in the packet. So that's Shelley May. So I'll put her back in this little bag. So she's one of my traders. Right, so look forward to it. Right, new one. Now let's cut this one off. Okay. Who's this? Oh, I've got another Cheshire Cat. Oh no, I've got another Cheshire Cat. So I've got 2 doubles now. So there we go. So I'll leave him in his bag as well. So he'll be a trader. So put those in the bag. So Shelley and Cheshire Cat are in together. So there you go. Right, next one. Okay, who's this? Oh, that's another one. That's Chip or Dale, isn't it? Yes, I've got another one. This was always going to happen, wasn't it? They're so beautiful. So I'm hoping people have still got these as they've been retired. Right, last packet, last one, fingers crossed. Okay, is that right? Yeah, that's right. I've got 7 and I've got 3, so 10. So this is the last packet now, so let's go. Oh, fingers crossed there's some new ones. Who would I really like that I've not got so far? Oh, Cogsworth and Lumiere I'd love. Yeah, Cogsworth and Lumiere. Who's this? Oh, I've got another Nick. So I've got another Nick. So he's a trader. And the last one is... Oh, I haven't got this one. I don't know who it is, but I haven't got her. So I don't know who she is. Let's take that off. So I've done really well. I've got 8. So I'm 2/3 of the way to complete. So I really love these. I do. I really, really love these. I think they're smashing. So if you know who she is, please tell me down below. So yeah, so I've got 8 of them. So I'll do a close-up of all of them now. Thanks so much for watching. My next one will be the unboxing of the lollipops. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming across to my channel. If you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos. And thanks for watching, and thanks Tracy. See you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.